Can't get out of your phone's black screen of death as described above? Well, in this video, we'll delve into the common reasons behind this issue on Galaxy devices and provide 7 workable ways for Samsung Data Recovery Black Screen. Part 1. What causes the black screen of death on Samsung? Water damage, dropping on the ground, extreme temperature, outdated Android version, running out of storage, battery drain, virus attack, incompatible apps. Part 227 Easy Ways for Samsung Data Recovery Black Screen. Way 1. Using broken Android data extraction. Whether it's a black screen, an Android crash, an unresponsive phone, data recovery can be a challenge. One program that excels in handling these situations is broken Android data extraction. How to recover data from a Samsung phone with a black screen via broken Android data extraction. Download the tool, connect your disabled Galaxy via USB, choose the issue, and click Start. Select your device from the drop-down menu. Refer to the attached table for supported devices. Enter download mode by turning off your phone, holding volume down plus home plus power, and pressing volume up. The tool downloads a repair package. Scan your device in download mode. Preview, select data, and click Recover to save to your computer. Way 2. Using Autoplay. Autoplay is a built-in feature in many computers and laptops designed to help recover lost data. Way 3. Using OTG adapter. If your screen can display content but doesn't respond to touch, connect a USB mouse. Using an OTG USB cable to navigate. This method allows Samsung data recovery from a broken screen. Way 4. Using Smart Switch. If your phone can be powered on sporadically, use Smart Switch on your PC to back up Galaxy files. What if your device is not recognized? Launch the software and click More Reinstall Device Driver. Way 5. Using Google account. If your Samsung phone has a black screen and you can't access it, try using another phone or your PC to log into the Google account associated with it. This may help you back up the phone's content. Way 6. Using Smartthings Find. If you recall the Samsung account linked to your black screen phone, you can recover its content using just a computer with the assistance of Smartthings Find, previously termed Find My Mobile. Way 7. Using SD card. If your desired data is on your SD or memory card, you can retrieve it using an SD card. However, this method only works for Samsung devices with removable cards. Part 3. How to fix Samsung black screen of death efficiently. Fix 1. Factory reset your Samsung phone. Fix 2. Uninstall the faulty app in safe mode.